Hello children, welcome back to our English class. So children, in the last period we have completed the chapter 3.8 reading time. In that we have seen the story of Nani's glasses. So we have completed the chapter. Now today we will see the question answers. Now this is the exercise of the book. Here we have to listen and repeat. So children, here the verbs are given, verb and their past tense form means V2 form is given. Okay, so we will see that and repeat. So the first one is LOSE, lose. Lose means खो जाना, and V2 form of lose is LOST, lost. Now the next is FIND, find. Find means मिलना, and V2 form is FOUND, found. Then the next one is SAY, say. Say means to say something, कुछ कहना, and V2 form is SAID, said. Then HAS, has to show some possession, and HAD, had is the V2 form. Now the next is SPEND, spend. Spend means to spend something, खर्च करना, and the V2 form is SPENT, spent. KEEP, keep. Keep means रखना, and V2 form is KEPT, kept. Then the next is WRAP, wrap. Wrap means covered with something, and V2 is WRAPPED, wrapped. So these are the V1 and V2 forms of the verb. So we have to only read it. No need to write this in copy. Now children, here a B exercise is given, that is complete the following table. So what is given over there? It is written in the first column, it is written 1, and in the next column it is written many. So we can change the one thing to many things by adding S at the end. Suppose there is one boy, we will say BOY, boy. But if there are more than one boy, so we will say BOYS, boys. So we will just add S at the end to make the many of the singular noun too. So one we called it as a singular noun, and many we called it as a plural noun. So we will see one example is given. There is one chair, CHAIR, chair. So there is one chair. Now there are many. So for many we will say chairs, CHAIR, and then we put the S. Now see the next example is given. One table, TABLE, table. So when there is one, so we will say one table. But there are more than one table. So we will say, for that we will say tables, 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 many tables. Now there is one bed, BED, bed. Now we have to say many. So for many, what will be there? BEDS, beds, many beds. Now there is one cupboard, CUPBOARD, cupboard. So if there is one, so we sell one cupboard. Now we have to make many of one, so we will say cupboards, CUPBOARDS. So we will make one, by adding S we make the many of singular or ones. Now there is clue, one clue, many. So we will say many clues, CLUES, clues. Now there is one garden. We are talking about one garden. Now we have to say about many gardens, GARDENS, gardens. Now one eye, many, correct, eyes, EYES, eyes. Now one place, many places, PLACES. Children, this exercise you will solve in book only. No need to write it in the copy. Okay. Now we will see the exercise which you have to do in your English copy. Okay, so give the heading of the poem. So poem 3.8, reading time, put a dash and write down Nani's glasses. Write down today's date. Then question number 1, new words. So we will see the new words. The first one is GLASSES, glasses. Glasses means chashma. Next is BATHROOM, bathroom. You know the meaning of bathroom, where we take the bath. Now the next is CUPBOARD, cupboard. Cupboard means the place where we keep the things. Usual, USUAL, usual means regular place or regular things. FAVOURITE, favorite. KNITTING, knitting means making clothes from wool or yarn using the 2 needles. Now the next is KITCHEN, kitchen. Kitchen is a room in the house where your mother cooks food. Then the next is GARDEN, garden. You all know the meaning of garden. WRAPPED, wrapped. Wrapped means covered with something. So we wrap the gift. Now dining, DINING, dining. Here we can say dining is dining means to eat, and we have dining room, a place where we have our meals. Then missing, MISSING, missing. Missing means कुछ खो जाना, that is missing. Then clues, CLUES, clues means hint to find something. YARN, yarn. Yarn means thread or wool. QUICKLY, quickly. Quickly means fast. EVERYWHERE, everywhere. Everywhere means in all the places. So these are the new words. Now we will see question number 2, vocabulary. So the first one is lost. Lost means unable to find something. We lost something means we are not able to find the thing. Now the next word is usual. Usual means regular place. Now the third one is clues. Clues means hint to find something. Knitting. Knitting means making clothes of wool by using 2 long needles. We have seen the picture also of knitting. Then the next is wrapped. Wrapped means covered with some material. Yarn. Yarn means thread of wool used for knitting. So children, these are the vocabulary or the meanings of the new words. Now we will see question number 3. Answer the following question. So what did Nani lost? So what Nani has lost? Yes, correct. Glasses. So Nani has lost her glasses. Now next question. Where did the boy search for the glasses? So where he had searched? He had searched everywhere in the house. So the answer is everywhere. Now what did Nani do the whole day? Now which work Nani has done the whole day? So the whole day Nani did some cooking, some work in the garden, and spent time in reading and knitting. So these all works are done by Nani. Now the next question is, where did the boy find the glasses? So where did he found? In the knitting yarn. So he found the glasses in the knitting yarn. So children, now it's your homework time. What homework you have to do? You have to repeat question number 1, 2 and question number 3 in your English copy number 1. The exercise of 1 and many you have to do it in your English textbook only. Okay children, complete your work. And listen, when you are writing question answers, make sure the first letter should be capital. Can you see here? I have written the first letter capital and at the end of the sentence there is full stop. So you have to follow all these rules, write neatly with the correct spellings, and after finishing your work, show it to your mother to check the spellings. Okay, children? So meet you in the next period. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.